Did you know that the average electric vehicle takes about 30 minutes to charge to 80% capacity? Now imagine an engine that could power a car for the same range in just 5 minutes of refueling. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's exactly what Elon Musk is claiming with his new engine technology. But how does it achieve this remarkable feat? And what does it mean for the future of transportation? Ever wondered why electric vehicles haven't completely taken over our roads yet, despite the buzz and excitement surrounding EVs? There's a glaring issue holding them back from total domination. It's not the sleek designs or impressive acceleration that's the problem. No, it's something far more fundamental: charging time. Let's face it, we're living in a world of instant gratification. We want our food delivered in minutes, our shows to stream without buffering, and our phones to charge in a flash. But when it comes to EVs, we're still stuck in the slow lane. Imagine pulling up to a charging station, plugging in your car, and then waiting. And waiting. And waiting some more. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. It's a deal breaker for many potential EV owners. Picture this. You're on a road trip, cruising down the highway in your shiny new electric car. The scenery is beautiful, the conversation is flowing, and then you see it, the dreaded low battery warning. Now you're faced with a choice: spend half an hour or more at a charging station, or risk running out of juice on the side of the road. Not exactly the carefree adventure you had in mind, is it? The numbers don't lie. According to a recent survey, 78% of potential EV buyers cited charging time as their top concern, and it's not hard to see why. In a world where we can fill up a gas tank in a matter of minutes, the prospect of lengthy charging stops is a tough pill to swallow. But here's where it gets really interesting. Despite these challenges, EV adoption rates are on the rise. In fact, global EV sales doubled in 2021 compared to the previous year. It seems that many drivers are willing to put up with the inconvenience of charging times in exchange for the benefits of electric vehicles. But just imagine how much faster that adoption rate could grow if the charging issue was solved. What if someone found a way to make charging an EV as quick and easy as filling up a gas tank? It sounds like a pipe dream, doesn't it? Well, hold on to your hats, because that's exactly what Elon Musk is claiming to have achieved with his new engine technology. That's right. The man behind Tesla and SpaceX says he's cracked the code. Musk is boldly stating that his new engine could power a car for the same range as current EVs, but with just 5 minutes of refueling time. It's a claim that's sending shockwaves through the automotive industry and leaving experts scratching their heads. If Musk's claims are true, we could be on the brink of an EV revolution unlike anything we've seen before. No more range anxiety, no more lengthy charging stops, just pure, clean electric driving without the wait. It's a tantalizing prospect that could finally push electric vehicles into the mainstream and leave traditional gas guzzlers in the dust. But what exactly is this mysterious new engine? How does it work? And can it really deliver on Musk's ambitious promises? That's what we're about to find out. While the world's been focused on battery technology, Elon Musk has been quietly working on something far more radical. It's not just an improvement, it's a complete reimagining of how electric vehicles could work. But why has this game-changing technology been kept under wraps for so long? For years, Musk has been hinting at a revolutionary breakthrough in EV technology. Cryptic tweets, vague comments in interviews, and whispered rumors among Tesla employees have all pointed to something big in the works. But the details have remained frustratingly elusive. It's as if Musk has been playing a high-stakes game of technological hide-and-seek with the entire automotive industry. So why all the secrecy? It's possible that Musk wanted to perfect the technology before unveiling it to the world. After all, he's no stranger to bold claims and ambitious deadlines. By keeping this project under wraps, he may have been buying himself time to iron out any kinks and ensure the technology lives up to its potential. Or perhaps he was worried about competitors catching wind of his plans and trying to beat him to the punch. But now, it seems the veil of secrecy is finally being lifted. So, what exactly is this mysterious new engine that Musk claims will revolutionize the EV industry? At its core, it's a radically new approach to electric propulsion that combines elements of traditional electric motors with cutting-edge material science and energy storage techniques. Unlike conventional electric motors, which rely on electromagnets to generate rotational force, Musk's new engine uses a complex system of superconducting materials and advanced magnetic fields. This allows it to achieve unprecedented levels of efficiency and power output. But what's really groundbreaking is how it stores and releases energy. Instead of relying solely on batteries, the new engine incorporates a highly advanced form of capacitor technology. These supercapacitors can charge and discharge incredibly quickly, allowing for rapid energy transfer that puts even the fastest charging batteries to shame. It's this combination of efficient propulsion and lightning-fast energy storage that could potentially allow for those 5-minute refueling times Musk has been touting. But the advantages don't stop there. The new engine is also significantly lighter and more compact than traditional EV powertrains. This could lead to lighter vehicles with more interior space, potentially revolutionizing EV design. And because it generates less heat during operation, cooling systems can be simplified, further reducing weight and complexity. If Musk's claims are true, this new engine could be a game changer. For the entire EV industry, imagine electric cars that can be refueled as quickly as gasoline vehicles, but with all the environmental benefits of electric propulsion. It could eliminate range anxiety, one of the biggest barriers to EV adoption, almost overnight. The reduced weight and increased efficiency could lead to EVs with even longer ranges between charges. But here's where things get really interesting. This technology isn't just limited to cars. The principles behind Musk's new engine could potentially be applied to everything from aircraft to large-scale energy storage systems. We could be looking at the beginning of a new era in electric propulsion that extends far beyond the automotive world. Of course, all of this sounds almost too good to be true, and that's exactly why so many people in the industry are skeptical. Can this new engine really outperform existing electric motors by such a wide margin? Or is this just another case of Musk's famous optimism outpacing reality?